Hello everyone, this is your TA Tamanna. Today we will learn how to calculate mean, variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variable in Excel. Now, a probability distribution for a discrete variable is a mutually exclusive list of all the possible numerical outcomes along with the probability of each outcome. For example, here we have the distribution of the number of interruptions per day in a large computer network. This list is collectively exhaustive because all possible outcomes are included. Therefore, the probabilities sum to 1. Now let's try to see the probability distribution in a graphical form. Let's select our data and then go to Insert and recommended chart. You see that it has already given us a probability distribution. You can select this either, or you can go to all charts, select column. If you put your cursor on the graph, you will see the chart title, and to the left of the chart title you will see the probability distribution. You can select this too. So there you have the probability distribution. Now let's see how can we find out mean, variance and standard deviation of this probability distribution. The formulas are given here. I have written the formulas beforehand. For mean, the mean is actually the expected value of this probability distribution, which you can find out by multiplying each outcome by corresponding probabilities. So expected value is given the probability distribution or the probabilities of each outcome. What is the value? Here the number of interruption we can expect on any given day. So the formula to get the mean is multiply each possible outcome by its corresponding probabilities and then sum it. So let's see, here we type equal sign, select the first outcome and multiply it by the probability 0.35 and then enter. Then put the cursor to the corner and drag it down and then sum it up, and it will give us the mean. So on average we can expect 1.4 times interruption per day. Now let's move on to variance. The formula for variance is sigma square equals sum of x minus mu square times probability. So we have to deduct the mean from each outcome and then square it and then multiply it by the corresponding probabilities and then sum it up. So let's do that. It is a bit complicated in a sense that there are several steps in this formula, so you have to be careful and keep track of the parentheses, otherwise you will not get the outcome you're looking for. So first of all, type equal sign, put parentheses. I'm gonna give 3 parentheses and then select the outcome x minus the mean, and I'm going to log the mean because I want to deduct the mean from each of the outcome. So I'm gonna close the first parenthesis, then I'm gonna square it, close parenthesis again, and then multiply by probability, which is 0.35 here, then close the final parenthesis and then enter. Now I'm going to bring the cursor to the corner and drag it down. Now let's sum it up. Select all of it and then auto sum, and then we have the variance of this probability distribution. Now we need to find out the standard deviation. This is the simplest formula. We just need to square root the variance. To square root, the formula is equal sign sqrt parenthesis, select the value of variance and then close parenthesis and enter. I'm going to format cells to 2 decimal places. So the standard deviation is 1.43. Remember to put parentheses when you are finding a square root in Excel, otherwise you will not get any value. So we have learned how to find mean, variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variable in this video. That's all, and thank you.